In the previous session, we learned about the importance of a business plan. Further, the need for business planning in FPOs was explained through two case examples. In this session, we are going to learn about a framework called Business Model Canvas. This framework has 9 components that will help to understand our business.
This is something new. I'm very interested in hearing more about it, Sarla.
So, Vinod, first we will look at the value proposition component in the business model canvas. Value proposition describes the bundle of products and services that create value for a specific customer segment. In the case of our FPO, we need to list the uniqueness of the goods and services available and why they are desirable for our customers or clients, bulk buyers, exporters, agribusiness houses. Ideally, this is stated in a way that differentiates our products or service from those of our competitors. The second one is the customer segment. It defines the different groups of people or organizations an enterprise aims to reach and serve. Vinod, sometimes it is difficult to classify customer segments. Some of the criteria based on your product and service type can be, as for instance, age or economic class.
Thanks, Sarla.
After understanding the customers, it is important to know about the different channels through which we can reach them. These can be differed in direct distribution channels and indirect distribution channels. Vinod, along with customers, we also need to understand the customer relationship. Meanwhile, how our FPO maintains a good relationship with different customers. For example, after sales service is important for customer retention. Some other important customer related activities are guaranteed services and a convenient delivery of products and services. A FPO should define how it can maintain a relationship with its customers. Now, Vinod, we will look at the key activities our FPO is conducting. We should try to list all major activities concerning products or services offered by the FPO. Vinod, the next step is to familiarize ourselves with the key resources available for our FPO and required for the planned activities. After listing the key activities, we have to identify and map the key resources needed for the named activities. Some examples of key resources are licenses, certification, raw materials, human resources, etc. To carry out the key activities, the FPO will need support from different entities. The support could be in the form of expertise, finance, technical support, or other. Therefore, the entities providing the support are our key partners. It is important that these partners are those business entities that support our activities and resources, not our customers. They can be both government agencies as well as private sectors. So, Vinod, Having identified the key activities, key resources, and key partners, what else is missing?
I think we need to find out how economical all of this.
Yes, Vinod, you are right. FPOs should compile all cost for undertaking the key activities. Once we have the list of the cost, we need to divide them into fixed cost and variable cost. Vinod, now we will look at the revenue stream of the FPO. In a standard FPO, agri input sales revenue is a revenue stream. Likewise, rental fees, output sales of agri produce, etc., are counted as revenue of a FPO.
Yes, Sarla. After understanding the cost and revenue stream, we would be able to analyze the profitability of our FPO.
So, Vinod, let us repeat the 9 segments of the business model canvas. Can you please summarize our session?
Yes, Sarla. The business development canvas gives insight into core business model of a FPO. The business model canvas framework provides a roadmap for working out the profitability of my FPO.